Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display horizontal determinate as well as horizontal indeterminate progress bar in React Native's new architecture without using any third-party library. So this video is only Android specific, and the reason why I decided to make this video because there is a popular library for React Native which is also Android specific to show horizontal progress bar which are both determinate as well as indeterminate. So firstly I will just go to app.tsx for now, and I will show you guys the output as well. So here you can see the first progress bar which you see is unfortunate is not moving because I have hard coded the progress. So I have set the progress from 0 to 10. So if I change the progress to suppose 5 and just have a look at the simulator, so it has changed, right? So you might be doing any kind of background operation and you can maintain a state of how to change the progress from 0 to 10. Okay, and similarly this is indeterminate progress bar, that's why it is not showing any progress stuff, or like it is indeterminate. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you guys in this demo. So as usual, firstly you will have to enable the new architecture, and for Android you just have to search for new arc enable, go to Android gradle.properties and make this as true. Once you do that, you will have to now these two files are exactly, I have created two folders, one for determinate, another for indeterminate. Like the code is almost the same. So yeah, firstly go to your main Android folder, go to build.gradle and add this implementation Kotlin standard lib as well as apply plugin Kotlin Android. Next go to this build.gradle, add this Kotlin version over here as well as class path Kotlin Gradle plugin. Next you have to go to RTN horizontal determinate progress bar. You have to create these two folders, this one as well as horizontal indeterminate progress bar. Next create a package.json file in both. So here I have just copied it from the docs and just change this name over here and over here. Same thing for this package.json as well. It just contains this indeterminate thing over here as well as over here. Next create a podspec file. Actually we don't need a podspec file, this is IO specific, but any which ways again this has been copied from docs and only this name has been changed. Similarly for indeterminate as well, only this name has been changed. Next I have created a JS folder, and for progress again this has been copied from docs, only thing changes this name, and here we will be passing the progress as a prop. Similarly over here inside JS, here I have just removed that progress because this is indeterminate one and I have changed this name. Next I have created an Android folder. Next inside over here build.gradle, again copied from docs, added this line over here, changed this namespace and added this line over here. Next similarly I have created build.gradle, again copied from docs, added this line, changed this name over here and added this line. Next you have to create this src com java src main java com rtn horizontal determinate progress bar as well as indeterminate one. Then I have created a manager class as well. So again this has been copied from docs and only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, only the naming has been changed. And for determinate I have added this progress prop as well, and I am updating the progress depending on what progress prop you pass. Similarly for indeterminate as well, everything is same, only the name has been changed and the prop has been removed. Okay, so here you can see this is the entire thing, as well as over here this is the entire thing. Okay, next I have created package class, again same copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Similarly over here this name has been changed. Next inside the implementation, so this is for determinate and this is for indeterminate. Okay, so if you check the determinate one, I am extending from progress bar and it is horizontal style, and I have added to occupy it the whatever width you give it and minimum height. and I have set the max to 10 and progress to 0 by default, but you can change the max to 100 as well, or if you want 0 to 1 you can do that as well. But make sure you change the type of from in32 to something like float or double, I guess, inside your JavaScript file while creating this turbo model, sorry, this fabric model. Next, indeterminate is false, and I have assigned this progress tintless, so you here you can change whatever you color you want to. Similarly for indeterminate as well, I have added this color, I have made the indeterminate true, and I have added this layout params. So that's it. Next, all you have to do is open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project. First you will have to run this command, then you will have to run this command. Once you run this, you will have to do cd dot dot, it will move you outside your React Native project. Then we'll run this command, but make sure my project name is rnapp, that's why I've written rnapp over here as well as over here, but change it to your project name as well as followed by the folder name which you have created for determinate, similarly over here as well. Next you will just have to cd to your Android directory, so cd Android, and then you just have to run this command, so main Android directory. Okay, then to use it, all I am doing is I have imported it something like this, both one, and I have used this determinate as well as indeterminate. I know many of you might be thinking that we could have just created a prop and just created one fabric component. You can do that as well, but I just wanted to avoid confusion, that's why. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.